Why you don't need a perfect roadmap to succeed in tech. The big myth: I need a perfect roadmap before I start. So you keep searching, best course, best path, best strategy, and never start. The reality: there is no perfect roadmap. Tech changes too fast. What works for others may not work for you. The hidden problem: waiting for clarity creates delay. You spend more time planning than actually doing. What successful people do: they don't wait for perfect plans. They start with what they know, learn along the way, adjust as they grow. Why action matters more: clarity comes from doing, failing, fixing, not from thinking. Real learning process: start, build, get stuck, learn, improve. This is how real growth happens. The mistake: trying to avoid mistakes by over-planning everything. The shift from planning perfectly to starting imperfectly. The result: faster progress, better understanding, real confidence. The final take: you don't need a perfect roadmap. You need to start and figure it out on the way. Rocket emoji.